All right, guys, it's very important that you listen, that you watch this video because that's going to help some of you that have issues with when you go to the link, it says password required. So here's what I need for you to do. So whenever you are about to take a quiz or a test, you must go to modules first. Go to modules. So go to modules. Go to the week where the quiz is located, where it tells you about it. So you find it. So you see where it says practice quiz 1 right here. Okay. So you click on that. You click on that, and then this opens up. All right. So now yours is going to say probably retake, begin quiz. If there are multiple attempts, it'll say take quiz again. Okay. Now don't do anything else. Don't click that just yet. Okay. It is important. It is important that you go to My Math Lab. Now, don't click just yet. You're going to right click. You see when I right click, this opens up? Okay, just make sure that's what's happening. So when you right click, hover up My Math Lab and Mastering, right click, and then say open in new window. Open in new window. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to see where it says My Lab and all assignments. Now, when I open it up, let me just tell you, when I open it up, you're not, what you are about to see is not what you see, because I'm in as not as a student that has access to My Math Lab. But when you click on this, all of your assignments will be listed. Don't do anything else. Just go back to see where I'm moving this over. So move it over, and then go back to the page where you were getting access to the quiz, and then say take quiz again. Now, I'm not going to do this because you're going to see something different because what happens. So it says before you begin, make sure let's see, the exam will be monitored by Proctorio. So you're probably seeing this. You probably do see this, and close all other tabs. Click here to do this for me so you can have it do it for you. So let me go ahead and click on that, see what happens. So I'm clicking on it, and then start exam pre-check. So you're going to start exam pre-check. So you see all that? Start exam pre-checks, and then it's going to ask you for diagnostics and all that. So it is saying right here, it is saying my VRC wants to use your camera, so go ahead and say allow. And then, so you have your webcam, share the entire screen. So you go ahead and you click on share entire screen, say share. See this right here? Say share, and let's see. All right, so it looks like everything is good. All right, there I am. You're looking at the mess in the back, in my background. So then you go to next, and then it's going to show you for an ID. So you show an ID. Okay. So then hold identification card. It will scan automatically. I'm sorry, I don't have an identification card. So let's see. All right, so since I don't have an identification card with me and I really don't want to use one, I'm just going to, since I'm not taking tests, I'm just going to do it manually. So then we'll say next. See this right here? So you go to next, and then begin camera test, smile. So it's asking me to smile. Okay. And let's see what happens. So then I accept, begin exam now, waiting for Canvas. And then you click on this link. So I'm going to click on this link, okay? So you click on this link. You're about to navigate away from this page. Say continue anyway. And let's see what happens. Okay, so now listen to me carefully. See, it's bringing you here. It should not bring you here. The only reason why it's bringing me here is because I don't have a Pearson account, because I'm not a student. So it should have brought you directly to the quiz, okay? All right, should bring you directly to the quiz. So go ahead and use and follow the directions I just gave you in this video. Now let me just remind you about something. Okay, so let me just remind you something. We'll go ahead and X out. So remember the first thing you're going to do, let me X out of this. So the first thing you're going to do is, and let me go back to where we start. So the first thing you're going to do is this. So you're going to go to modules, go to modules. You're going to have to sign in again. Okay, so let me go ahead and sign in again. All right, so then you're going to go to, let me go as student view. So I'm going as a student view. All right, so the first thing you do is go to modules. You're going to go to the week where it's located. Then find it, quiz 1. Now I'm going to just say this. If you go here to quizzes, if you go to quizzes, and you see they're listed here, you can go there. There's nothing wrong with that. But I want you to make sure that you're following in the weeks where that quiz is located. Okay, so if you go to Tuesday of week 1, then it's located in Tuesday. If you go to quiz 2, it looks like it's located in Wednesdays. Now quiz 3, if you go to modules, quiz 3 is in week 2. And to get to quiz 3, you go here. So this is quiz 3. So that covers topics 1 through 9 and is due Wednesday. So I'm going to change this to Wednesday. But if you click on this, all right, you're going to get this. It says take the quiz. Don't do that yet. What I need for you to do, remember, what's the next step? The next step is to hover over MyMathLab and Mastering. So you hover over that, right click, and then say open link in new window. Okay? So open a new window. Move it away. Oh, I'm sorry. Then click on all your assignments. Okay, click on the assignments. All your assignments will be listed here. Okay, all of them will be listed here. Then move it away. Go back to this page and say take the quiz. And then it's going to ask you for all that diagnostic stuff. Do you see a while ago that password showed up in a split second? It went away. That's what's supposed to happen. Okay, so it's still turning. Let's see what happens. I'm using screencast. I only have 15 minutes for the free version. So it's still turning. I'm assuming that's what happens to y'all as well. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so what I did, see, it was turning. It kept turning. So what I did was I went back to right here, clicked on quizzes, clicked on it, and then it went to this. So it may be you may need to go back to quizzes and then click on again. But the point is this. So then you go, just say click here to do this for me, and then start exam pre-checks. So all this, okay. Then it's going to do the webcam. I'm not going to do the webcam again, but then because at some point when you do all of this, and again, just make sure share your entire screen. So you click on this and you say share, right? And it's going to ask you. It's going to do the webcam, so let me go ahead and do that. So then it's going to say, let's see, don't see yourself above. Okay, so let's do next. So I'm just going to say, hold identification card. Let's say that was my identification card. It will scan and click here to scan manually. Now you need to use your ID. Okay, so then you go to, now if you need to retake, you retake, then you go to next. It says begin camera test, smile. Just do the best you can with smiling. And then say accept, begin exam now. Just make sure you read all this. And watch what's going to happen. It's going to, okay, so then you click on this link, okay? So when I click on this link, now when I click on it, I'm not going to get anywhere because I don't have a Pearson account. But when you click on it, see, say, okay, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to the test. It's not going to bring you to this because you already have a Pearson account linked to MyMathLab. Okay, so hopefully this helps. So just please look at this video before you begin your next quiz, and especially before you begin test 1. Okay, so use this video for before you take quiz 3, and to see if you have any bugs that you need to fix with this. But it should work. It should work now. Okay? All right. So let me know if it doesn't. Email me.